It was night. I was sleeping in my bed. The window was open. The wind was cool. It touched my face. The air was fresh. The room was quiet. Suddenly, the phone rang. The sound was loud. I opened my eyes. I reached for the phone. I looked at the screen. The number was strange. I did not know it. I wanted to ignore it, but something inside me said no. I pressed the button. "Hello," I said quietly.
Lisa, is that you?
The voice was deep. It sounded familiar. I was sleepy. I could not recognize the voice. "Yes, I'm Liza. Who are you?"
It's me, Peter. Peter from college.
My heart beat fast. Peter. I had not heard his voice. For 5 years, we were close in college. We studied together every day. We ate dinner on Fridays. We walked to class. We watched movies. Everyone thought we were in love, but we were only friends. At least, that was what I believed. "Peter, I can't believe it's you. Why call me now?"
I'm sorry, Lisa. I know it's late, but I must tell you something.
I sat up in bed. The night was silent. His voice was not the same. It was heavy. It was worried. "What is it, Peter? Are you okay?"
I'm fine, but I need to see you. Can you meet me tomorrow?
"Where?" I asked.
Do you remember the café near our college? The small one where we studied together?
"Yes, I remember."
Meet me there at 2 o'clock.
"Okay, I'll come." He said thank you. Then he ended the call. I looked at my phone. My hands were shaking. I could not sleep again. I thought about him all night. Morning came. I went to work. I worked at a bookstore. I helped people find books. I put books on shelves. The store was quiet, but my mind was not. I kept thinking of Peter. I kept looking at the clock. Time was slow. Every minute was long. At 1:30, I left work. I told my boss I was not well. I walked fast to my car. I drove to the café. The café looked the same. The smell of coffee filled the air. The chairs were soft. The tables were small. I chose the old corner table, the one we always used. I ordered coffee. I waited. At exactly 2, Peter came in. He looked different. He looked older. His hair was short. He wore a suit. But his smile was the same. He said,
Lisa,
He hugged me.
you look good.
"You too," I said. We sat down. He ordered coffee. We talked about work. We talked about family. We talked about life. But he was nervous. He looked at his watch many times. Finally, I asked, "Peter, why did you call me?" He was quiet for a moment. Then he looked at me. His eyes were serious.
Lisa, I'm getting married soon.
My chest hurt. Married. Peter was getting married. I forced a smile. "That's great. Congratulations. Who is she?"
Her name is Melly. She is kind. She loves me very much. I am happy with her. I want to ask her to marry me.
"I'm happy for you," I said, but I was not happy. I was sad inside. I felt stupid. Why did I think he called for me? Peter looked at me again.
There is more. I want you at the wedding.
What, at your wedding?
Yes, you were my best friend. You are still important to me.
I did not know what to say. Go to his wedding. Watch him marry another woman. It was too much. I looked into his eyes. Peter, why did you really? Call me. You could send an invitation. He looked down. He was silent. Then he looked at my eyes with doubt. He whispered,
Because I must tell you the truth.
My heart beat fast again. What truth?
Lisa, I loved you in college for 4 years. Every day. But I was afraid to say it.
I froze. My breath stopped. Peter loved me all that time.
I could not ask Molly to marry me before I talked to you. I even bought her a ring, but I could not forget you. I still love you.
Peter, I loved you too. I never told you. I thought you didn't feel the same. His eyes opened wide.
You loved me too.
Yes, I loved you so much, but I was afraid. We sat in silence. We thought about the past. We thought about the lost years.
I'm sorry.
He said. I'm sorry too, I said. Then Peter took my hand. His hand was warm. His eyes were sad.
I never stopped loving you. Even now.
Tears came to my eyes. Peter, don't. You have girlfriend. She loves you. You must be honest, he sighed. He looked into the distance, thoughtfully.
Yes, you are right. I have to be honest. Melly has the right to know the truth. I am sure she will make the right decision. And whatever happens, I will always love you, Lisa.
He kissed my forehead. I watched him walk away. I sat in the café. The coffee was cold. I cried quietly. I thought about love. I thought about life. Some stories do not end with happiness, but they are real. Dear friends, in this channel, we tell the stories in the simplest way for you. We read it with a clear and slow voice for your learning. So please, to learn better, first watch the video one time. Find the meaning of new words in the dictionary. The second time, repeat the sentences at the same time with the video. Say them loudly. I promise you, if you do this for 10 minutes every day, your tongue will open after 3 months. Your listening will become strong. You will learn grammar easily. You will keep many new words in your memory. So do not forget. Start your 10-minute plan today. Good luck. If you like this way of learning English, please subscribe to our channel. Click the bell to know about the next videos. Your likes and comments are very valuable for me.